So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix startup disk full error on your Mac. This issue can be concerning for users as you will no longer be able to download files and your Mac will start getting slow. To fix this issue, you will have to clear out some space on your Mac and you will be good to go. Step 1. Delete trash files. The files you delete get stored in the bin and this will take up some space on your Mac. So you should delete all the trash files and this will clear out some space. So for this, right click on this bin icon and then click on empty bin. Click on empty bin again. Now this will delete all the trash files. Step 2. Delete old files. If you have some old files that are no longer required, then consider removing them from your system. Delete these files from your Mac and also clear out the bin. After this, delete the cache files of the Safari browser. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your Mac. Now, click on the Safari button from the menu bar and then click on Settings. After this, click on this Privacy option. Now, click on Manage Website Data. After this, click on Remove All. Now, click on Remove Now button and then click on Done. Now close all the windows. So this will delete all the cache files of the Safari browser. If you use any other browser, then consider deleting the cache files for it as well. Step 4. Delete system cache files. So for this, open the Finder on your Mac. Now press Command plus Shift plus G key combo on your keyboard. This will open Go to Folder option. Here, type the command that you see on your screen. Once done, press the return key. So now this will open the cache folder of your Mac. From here, delete all the unwanted cache files. Step 5. Delete unused apps. If you have some apps on your Mac that you no longer use, then uninstall them. So for this, click on this Finder icon on the dock. Now, on the left pane, click on Applications. Now, look for the app that you no longer use and drag and drop it to the bin on the dock. After this, enter your Mac's password and click on OK. Now, right click on bin and then click on empty bin. Click on empty bin again. Similarly, you can uninstall all the unwanted apps on your Mac. So that's it for this video. I hope the steps in this video helped you solve the issue. And if you find this video useful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Also, you can visit our website itechhacks.com for more such tech fixes and content.